There are many websites that allow users to compress bulk images into various formats. But what makes Squoosh different is that it's completely free, open source, and compresses images locally without sending them to a random server. Squoosh is a fork of Squoosh which was made by Google Chrome Labs. Because of this, it can also be installed as a web app. I will add the link in the video description. To compress images in bulk, first click the gear icon floating at the bottom right corner. Choose the desired file format. Here I am selecting AVIF. You can also set the quality and resize if needed. Once everything is set, you can start adding images by clicking the image icon or by dragging and dropping. Depending on the image size and the settings you selected, the compression might take some time. When all the images are compressed, the loading icon at the bottom right will change to a download icon, and you can click it to download everything as a zip archive. Let's check it by opening the file. Looks good. Now for the geeks and nerds out there who love the command line, there's a fork that retains the CLI functionality which was originally removed from the Squoosh app. This fork is called Squoosh. Let's see how we can make use of it. First, ensure that you have Node.js and Git installed on your system. To check, open terminal and type node-v and git-v command as follows. If installed, it will display the version. You can either install the CLI globally or use it through npx. To install it globally, run the following command: npm i-g at Squoosh CLI. Now let's compress images using the CLI. I have a folder here with a couple of JPG images. Open git bash and change the path to the folder that contains the images using the cd command. Once you are inside the folder, create a for loop to compress each image. Type for file in star.jpg. Here file is the loop variable name, and you can use any name you like. Make sure you are using the correct image file extension. Press Shift Enter to go to the next line and type do. On the third line, type echo processing file like this. This step is optional and only needed if you want to see progress showing which file is being compressed. If you install the CLI globally, on the fourth line type Squoosh CLI. Otherwise type npx at /Squoosh CLI. If you would like to resize the image, add a space and type resize width 1000. You can either set width or height. Replace 1000 with your desired resolution in pixels. To maintain the aspect ratio, it's better not to add both width and height. After that, add a space and specify the output format, for example, WEBP. You can also set the quality, for example, quality 75. To save the compressed images in a specific folder, use the option output directory. In this example, if the folder does not already exist, it will create one called new folder. There are many more options available which you can check on the NPM page. I will add the link in the description. After setting your options, add the loop variable name you have given before. On the next line, type done and press enter. You will now see the progress of the compression and the difference in file sizes. Let's open the folder and check the files. Perfect. That's it folks. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Feel free to check my other videos and shorts. Thanks for watching.